Industry-relevant skills. Salesforce is a leading CRM platform used by thousands of organizations worldwide. Acquiring skills in Salesforce administration prepares students to meet the demand for Salesforce professionals across industries. Professional development. Completing a Salesforce administration demonstrates students' commitment to professional development and continuous learning, enhancing their resume and increasing their attractiveness to employers. Global recognition. Salesforce certifications are globally recognized credentials that validate individuals' expertise in Salesforce administration. Competitive advantage. In a competitive job market, having Salesforce administration skills sets students apart from their peers and increases their chances of securing lucrative job opportunities with top employers. Opportunities for growth. Salesforce administration is a dynamic field with ample opportunities for career growth and advancement. By mastering Salesforce administration, students position themselves for future career progression and leadership roles within organizations. Entrepreneurial opportunities. With the increasing adoption of Salesforce by businesses of all sizes, students with Salesforce administration can explore entrepreneurial opportunities, such as freelancing or starting their consulting business, catering to organizations' Salesforce administration needs. Contribution to digital transformation. Salesforce administration plays a crucial role in organizations' digital transformation initiatives by enabling efficient customer relationship management and business process automation. By learning Salesforce administration, students contribute to driving digital innovation and organizational success. Overall, a Salesforce administration on PeopleWoo equips students with valuable skills, knowledge, and credentials that prepare them for a rewarding career in Salesforce administration and contribute to their personal and professional growth. Joining a Salesforce administration at PeopleWoo can be a strategic investment in your career growth and professional development.